Hello good people, and today in this video we are going to be making a cool database system in Roblox Studio. Now let's say you're going into the starting place and you want to make a cool game where you can get money, but you don't know how to save the money when a player leaves and how to get the money when a player rejoins, and you just don't really know how to use DataStoreService at all. This video is the video for you. Now we will get into how to set the async and when to set the async and how to get the async and when to get the async. It's just gonna be a heck of a video, guys. If you want to, you can subscribe. It's not really up to me, but please do if you enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is save your game to Roblox. One of the choices you have is to go up to File and Publish to Roblox. Another choice is Publish to Roblox As, which is Alt, Shift, and P, and it will literally publish as anything, and you can hit Create New Game, and it will bring you this thing. Or you could go to Game Settings, Save to Roblox, and it will bring this up. Now, you can write anything here. I'm just going to write 21. I guess that's fine. It will blur it out, and I don't really care. Wait, what? Alright, never mind. But the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Security and enable Studio access to API services. This will just allow you to save data on Roblox. Don't allow anything else. You can if you want to, but it may cause issues, and you can read everything about it right on the Roblox creator website, and some stuff probably on the dev forum as well. But today, let's just do some coding. So after that is set, you're just going to go to your server script service and enter a new script. Now, you can create literally anything, like local stuff, but in today's video, we need to script something very, very good for data saving. So let's just get right into it. Local data store service, or we can just do that, and then local database, and we can just do database equals DSS GetDataStore. We can name this literally anything, but it's probably best to make a unique name like 21. And the reason for this is on each player's account, the data will probably be saved with this one key, and it might get mixed up if it's different. And then we can just start getting into the coding. So the first thing we're gonna want to do is get when the player enters the game. GetService players PlayerAdded connect function. And now we just have to enter player. Now, what we want to do now is make sure the player has their leader stats or whatever you want. So you can just do local leaders equals, or we can just do LS for leader stats. Local leader stats equals Instance.new folder. And we can put this right into the player. So now that this is set up, it will put each variable that is put into the folder into the leader stats. Alright. LS.Name needs to be leader. Yeah, that's fine. Leader stats, and then we can just type in a new local variable 1 equals instance.new, and it will be an int value. Now we can do V1.Parent equals LS, and then V1.Name will equal like anything, and that's what will show up in our leader stats. We can do money for something cool, and then we can just say V1.Value will equal DB GetAsync, and then the key will just be let's do player.UserId, and then MoneyForGameYourGameHere. Alright, and then, or we can just do whatever you want them to start off with, which will be 0, and then V1.Changed connect function, and then we can just, well, do setting the async for the player since it changed. So V1 DB SetAsync player.UserId cache MoneyForGame21. MoneyForGame21. And then to save the value, we can just do any value, really. Yeah, any value for the game, which will be V1.Value. And now that that's set up, we basically are done. Now, this is just the DataStore handler, which we can name DataStore handler. But we still need a way to get money. And we can do that with a basic part. And let's just choose this part, for example. And we can just code it to, well, once it's touched, the leader stats will change. Alright, with this code set up, I'm pretty sure we're done. And we can just publish it to Roblox as 21. Publish new changes in 21 to Roblox. And we can just go into Roblox. Yeah, I don't care. Roblox.com. And we can go into our database. So our database game will be in our inventory and right here, and we can just go in, and you will see that up here in the top right corner there will be the leader stats, I hope. Yep, money. Oh, whoa, bug. There we go. Alright, and here we are in our basic little game, and that's 0 because we don't have any async yet, because this is our first time testing. And if we go over to the part we have over here, you can see that it will give us money. Yay! But oh no, I have to leave. Will it save any of my progress? Let's see. We go out. And we go back on. And you will see in a second that, come on, 5. Oh wait, is that what I got? Yes, I think so. One sec, let me remember it again. I thought it was 21. I thought it was, but that's the place name. Alright, so keep going, keep getting money. Everything is fun, everything is fine, everything is fun. Oh no, I have to leave. It's the exact same scenario. I have $16 exactly. I go out and I go back in. And I have $16. Nothing else has changed because that's the only variable we have set. And it's just a cool little way of explaining how games are done in this way. It's just fun, basically. But more Roblox Studio helping is like in the description. Well, basically above the description, there's going to be more ways that I can help you with your Roblox Studio coding. And have a good one, because there are more good ones to come. So just be prepared. Alright, see ya. Bye.